In this tutorial, we will make these cute bird nest hair clips. These can be made under 5 minutes. To make these, you will need either hair clips or hair ties, 3 pearl beads for the eggs, some old party cake toppers, any one color of thread, 2 different colors of yarn and 2 different colors of lace. Put together 8 pieces of yarn. These should measure 34 inches. Tie 3 knots to tightly secure the layers. Then start twisting it around the knotted area. Grab a needle and start stitching to secure it as you go. I used this thread color to add the feature of twigs on the nest. Stitch it at the end to fully secure. Then grab your 3 pearl beads. Apply super glue in the middle and glue on your pearl beads. Grab your party cake topper and cut it into a small circle. Grab one yarn and make a knot on the party cake topper at the top. I recommend using green yarn as this is the leaves feature. Start making multiple knots, making sure to fill the stick all the way down. Make a hoop using your finger and take the stick through it to make a knot like this. It should look like this. Make sure to not leave any gaps in between the knots. Then twist the stick at the end to avoid loosening the knots. Cut off the excess parts. Grab one color of 2 lace pieces. Stitch in a zigzag pattern, like this. This is a flower decor for the nest. Stitch this onto the nest. Grab your other color of lace. Cut this into 3 pieces. Stitch this under the flower for the leaves decor. Turn the other piece of lace into a rose decor. Stitch the other green pieces of lace underneath. Now grab your green yarn stick and add super glue to the circular part. Glue this to the bottom of the nest. Twist it into any shape you like. Grab your hair clip and glue it onto the bottom of the nest using super glue. And you're done. Here's another easy nest idea. Make a nest using this same technique. Then add glue in the middle. For this one, I added pom-poms as the eggs in the nest. Glue 3 mini pom-poms in the nest using super glue. We will use these unused flower decor pieces for the decoration. Just stitch these onto one side of the nest. The result is so simple yet so elegant. I hope you liked this idea. Follow my channel for more unique and easy ideas like these.
Thanks for watching.